Important driving tips for beginners. Part 1. 1. It's fun. Yes, it's okay to enjoy driving. After so many years, I still love getting into my car and doing something as simple as driving into town. It's fun, it makes me feel free, and you should feel the same. Learning how to drive is one of the most memorable experiences you'll have in your entire life. So relax, be safe, but also enjoy the experience. 2. Speed and following distance are very as important. The experts agree that speed is the number one reason for fatal accidents, but improper following distance is also one of the main causes of major accidents. Always keep a safe following distance, especially during adverse weather conditions. 3. Know basic automotive mechanics. You don't need to be a master mechanic or anything, but you should absolutely know how to change a tire, pop the hood, change a light bulb, jump a battery, add oil and coolant to the car, and understand what the different dash warning lights mean. 4. Clear all intersections. Most people who get seriously injured by red light runners could have avoided the accident with a little proactive checking. Anytime you're the first vehicle at a stoplight and the light turns green, look both ways to make sure cross traffic is stopping. Never blindly trust everyone will be stopping. Sometimes large and heavy trucks are unable to stop or someone just isn't paying attention. The majority of intersection accidents occur only seconds after the light has changed. 5. You will be tailgated a lot, just ignore it. Being tailgated is just a part of driving. Tailgating means intimidating others to speed up. Just ignore it. Don't be intimidated. If you get a speeding ticket or are in an accident, nobody is going to care that you were intimidated by another driver. The only thing you can do is ignore it. 6. Distracted driving comes in many forms. Sure, talking on a cell phone or texting while driving is a common form of distracted driving, but there are other forms of distracted driving that could be even more dangerous. Did you know having a passenger in your car is one of the most dangerous distractions you can have? What about drinking a soda or eating while you're driving? Technically, doing anything other than paying attention to your driving is distracted driving. It is up to you to control the level of these distractions. If you just can't stand not answering your phone when it rings, shut it off while you're in the car. 7. 2 skills to learn now: proper merging and parallel parking. It is very important that you learn how to do these things right now. The first couple of times you do these things, it might not go perfectly. But within a few attempts, you'll have it mastered, and these are both excellent skills to have, not to mention knowing how to merge properly makes everyone safer. 8. Use all your senses when driving. When you're driving, you should be using all of your senses. Most people instinctively use their vision, but what about your sense of smell? Are you noticing the smell of burning oil or brakes? Are you listening for problems with your vehicle or sirens from emergency vehicles? It's so common for brand new drivers to get their license, hit the road solo, and blast their stereo as loud as it will go. I get it, driving and music do seem to go hand in hand, but just remember, by turning up your music you are removing a very good sense and increasing your risk of a crash. So do so with caution. 9. Seriously, alcohol and driving is a bad habit. I know, you've already heard this, but drinking alcohol and driving isn't just unsafe, it's selfish. And, if you do kill someone with alcohol in your system, you're going to prison for sure. Being a confident driver is healthy, but don't let that confidence turn into complacency. Driving really is a dangerous activity, but you can make it safer just by how you drive. 10. Get comfortable with the vehicle before driving it. All cars are different, and you should be comfortable with understanding the controls in each vehicle you drive. This includes the seat controls, radio, air conditioning, defrosters, heaters, windows, locks, how to clean the windshield, where the brights are located, what the gauges mean, etc. So get comfortable with your car before you start driving it.